Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making beaded rope jewelry with seed beads. And we're using my LIGHTVIEW Pro XL magnifying lamp from Brightech. Now before I go any further, I want to tell you that Brightech is offering a 15% off coupon, and I'm going to leave a link in the description because this lamp is so amazing, you are definitely going to want to grab one. Like many of you, I wear glasses and contacts, and even with the best lighting, I have a really hard time working with seed beads or anything super tiny or intricate. But not anymore. For the past couple of weeks, I've been using the LIGHTVIEW Pro XL magnifying lamp with LED lights, and it has changed my world. I love working with this lamp, and I can work with seed beads no problem. This lamp has a huge magnifying glass and LED lights that shine down on whatever you're working on. It's adjustable so you can twist it and turn it into any position, and it can be a floor lamp or a table lamp. It's up to you. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some beaded rope jewelry. Make sure to head over to Brightech.com and check out their amazing product line. We also have a link below for a 15% discount in case you want to buy something. They have string lights, table lamps, floor lamps, and of course, magnifying lamps, which are perfect for crafting. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next week. Bye.